Welcome back to the channel, folks. Barry Mountford here. If you are new to the channel, I'm Barry Mountford, portrait and product photographer, and in this video I'm going to show you 10 lighting setups that you can use in your product photography. So if you like that kind of thing, why not consider subscribing to the channel. So recently I've been posting on my Instagram stories. If you want to follow us on Instagram, I'll put a link in the description below so you can follow us on Instagram. I must apologise in advance though, I am terrible at posting regularly on Instagram. I've been using the stories more than anything else because it's just a much quicker process and I'm too busy during the day to keep posting to Instagram all of the time. But if you do want to follow us on Instagram, the link will be in the description below. So what I've been doing on those stories is I've been posting a sequence of, it's been called the setup and the shot. It's not my concept, it's somebody else's concept, but I'm going to use in this format. I'm going to accompany the stories where I'm showing the setup and the shot, and it's basically what it is it's behind the scenes lighting setup, and then that's followed by the shot that that lighting setup has created, and then that's followed by all of the camera information. So you guys have got a good reference to go to for a lighting setup and what camera settings were all used within that shot. So I'm going to accompany those stories with this video, but I'm also going to accompany this video with a blog post on the website which will be updated regularly. So if you want to be kept up to date with all of the posts on the blog, consider subscribing to the mailing list, because I'm going to be breaking it down to product photography, portrait photography, and pretty much anything else that I do shooting. I've got a lot of archives that I'm going to go through and post them to the blog post as well. So it's going to be a good reference for you guys for lighting ideas that you can use, take away and use in your product or portrait photography. So as well as the blog post on the website, I'm going to create a section on the YouTube channel called the setup and the shot. Again, just another online reference that you guys can come, watch, see the setups, see how it's set up, see what shot was created and see the camera information. Again, just another way for you guys to pick up ideas and information that you can take away and use in your product photography. So if you like the sounds of that, consider subscribing to the channel, because I've had a great response, especially on the stories. I've had some lovely messages from people and they found it really helpful, and they really like looking at it and seeing how it's broken down, and being really helpful for those. So hopefully it's helpful for you. If it is, leave a comment below, and if you want to see any of these shots made into a video on the YouTube channel where I break it down light by light, just let us know in the comments below and I'll gladly do that also, or send us a message if you've been on the blog post, and I'll gladly put those together. So with that all out of the way, I'm just going to let the setup and shot sequences run with a little bit of music behind. So before that plays, I just want to say thanks for watching. Like I say, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you folks in the next one. See you then.